Principal Ma'am, staff members and my dear friends. First of all, I would like to thank Principal Ma'am for giving me this opportunity. I am a SUVETHA studying in 2nd BCom C. My topic is every new day is another chance to change your life. Every new day is a trial to start everything from the beginning. Live each day of your life with full of positivity and vigor to achieve your goals and dreams. Forget what has happened in your past, learn from the past mistakes and move on in your life, and also make your life more fulfilling and happy. Take a new day as an opportunity to change what has gone wrong or to fix up the negative things. We should pave the way for the future with our past learning, present planning and action. Every day you should try to change what you think is your weakness. Do away with them and polish your skills to become a stronger person. Try and be what you are and not what people want you to be. Finally, make the everyday as your day and be happy. Thank you.